First, we import the link component from the NextJS library. The link component is crucial for enabling client-side navigation in NextJS applications. Here we define a functional component called navigation menu. This component will render our navigation bar. Within the return statement, we start with a nav element which serves as the container for our navigation links. We then create an unordered list element, or UL, which will hold individual list items for each navigation link. The first list item, li, is created to contain our homepage link. We use the link component and set its href prop to a string representing the route path, which is our homepage destination. Within the link component, we nest an anchor tag, a, labeled home. By clicking this link, the user will be navigated to the homepage without a full page reload. Closing the link component here finalizes our first navigation link. We've completed the list item for the home link. The process will be similar for other navigation links. Now we create another list item for the About page link. Again, we use the link component, this time setting the href prop to About, which points to the About page of our site. The anchor tag is labeled About. Clicking this will navigate to the About page client side, avoiding the traditional full page reload. We close the link for the About page here. This completes the list item for the About link. We continue with another list item for the Contact page link. For the Contact page, we use another link component with the href prop set to Contact. Inside the link component, we place an anchor tag labeled Contact. Just like the other links, this enables client-side routing to the Contact page. We close the link component for the Contact link. With that, we finish the list item for the Contact link. All list items are now included, so we close the unordered list. Finally, we close the nav element, concluding our navigation menu component. The return statement of our navigation menu component is now complete, rendering a navigation bar with client-side enabled links using NextJS. To finish up, we export the navigation menu component as the default export of this module, making it available for use in other parts of our application. With the setup now complete, clicking on any navigation link will update the browser's URL and render the new page without a traditional page refresh, thanks to the power of NextJS client-side routing.